Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer chat to another agent here in LiveChat. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your chats. And here, for example, this is the customer, okay? So first up, you would need to let them know that you'll be transferring them, okay? It is helpful to include the reason and the name of the agent who will take over, okay? I know you have a routing maybe template right here, okay? If you have one, you can go ahead and use that. Right here, as you can see by default, you have this transfer canned responses from LiveChat itself. You can click on it. Now it says here, let me forward you to my colleague, like so. Hit on send. Go ahead and add any reason why you wanted to forward them. Maybe you just doesn't have any more answers, okay? So go to the top right, click on three dots. Now click on transfer to. And then here you can go ahead and find the agent, okay? Or go to your groups, make sure there are agents right here that are available, okay? Just click on one and just go ahead and click on transfer. As you can see here under general, which is basically me, an agent accepting chat. So just go ahead and click on transfer. There you go. Now, anyone that is online right now can just easily pick the chat from queue. And there you have it. That is how you transfer chat to another agent here in LiveChat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.